After a 2-year hiatus, Teaneck Night Out is back and stronger than ever. Despite the soaring temperatures, members in and around the community came together for fun, excitement, and camaraderie.
There's a lot of things that are really important in terms of events like this. One, it really builds a sense of community. I mean, you look around and you see so many people coming out. For the last couple of years, unfortunately, we were cooped up. We really weren't around each other. A lot of people really weren't still coming out. And so events like this are really important. We need the community to see that Teaneck really is a strong community. We want people to know that there's a lot of organizations that are here designed to specifically help to foster that kind of idea and sense of community. And if people need the help, that there's organizations here that are really interested in making sure they do need the help. But it's really, events like these are really important because it's really going to help us really keep on having people come. Pandemic, no, it really doesn't matter. It's going to allow us all to be here and make a big difference.
Don't worry, in case you missed it, we will see you next year as we continue to keep Teaneck strong.